Ralph Emerson once said, "Nothing can bring you peace but yourself." It is completely normal for someone to feel anxious or worried, but being anxious all the time and constant worrying is not healthy and can lead to other serious health problems. I feel like I'm qualified to talk to you about generalized anxiety disorder because I have personal experience with it and have done a lot of research. Generalized anxiety disorder is more common than people actually think. The 3 things that people should know about it are what generalized anxiety disorder is, how many people are affected by it, and ways to cope with it. First, I would like to share with you what the definition of generalized anxiety disorder is. According to MedicineNet.com, generalized anxiety disorder is a condition characterized by 6 months or more of chronic exaggerated worry and tension. Like I said, worrying and stressing is completely normal. We all have something that worries us more than others or makes us feel anxious. If yourself or someone you know is in constant worry or tension for a long period of time, chances are they probably have generalized anxiety disorder. GAD just doesn't affect someone mentally. It also affects someone physically. Some of the symptoms that you should be aware of are fatigue, trembling, muscle tension, irritability, or weight change. Some people actually miss work, school, or interest in things that once interested them before. Next, I'm going to share with you how many people are actually affected by GAD. According to the National Institution of Mental Health, GAD affects about 6.8 million American adults, including twice as many women as men. National Institution of Mental Health also states that the disorder gradually develops gradually and can begin at any time in the life cycle. People with generalized anxiety disorder are 3 to 5 times more likely to go to the doctor and 6 times more likely to get hospitalized for a psychiatric disorder than those who do not suffer from an anxiety disorder. Finally, I would like to tell you how to cope with anxiety. Everybody copes with things differently, but the best thing, in my opinion, to try first in ways of coping with anxiety is calming your nerves. The 2 most popular activities people do to calm their nerves are yoga and meditation. I have personal experience with both of them, and they help tremendously. Meditation you can actually do anywhere. All you have to do is focus on one thing and one thing only to help with the negative thoughts. People with GAD have a hard time accepting the fact that they have this disorder. Psychotherapy is a way to help with coping that you have this disorder. Some people find it easier to talk to someone than actually doing an activity to help them. When someone with GAD gets in one of their anxious moods, the hardest part is to let positive things in when there are negative things just going around in your mind. One way of helping with this is to write down the positive things in your life or positive things in general. Sometimes it even feels impossible that you can get any kind of positive thoughts in your mind. In conclusion, I would like to remind you that my purpose today was to inform my audience about generalized anxiety disorder. Today I have explained to you what exactly generalized anxiety disorder is, how many people are actually affected by it, and ways to cope with it. As I stated earlier, I feel like I'm qualified to talk to you about this topic because I have personal experience with it and have done a lot of research. Remember, we humans do go through things that sometimes we seem like we cannot get through. If you or someone you know has GAD, talk to a professional about it. Don't wait until it gets worse. There are medications and therapy for it. Remember, the only thing that can bring you peace is yourself. Do not let anxiety take over your life.